Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faiz Sultan, and this is my video of argument on why we should legalize cannabis use in Indonesia. We know that cannabis has a lot of uh, benefit for human consumption, for medicine, or for uh, replacing plastic with the substance in on itself, and then consuming it, not smoking it. Smoking it can release stress and depression, and uh, many people use edible marijuana to get good night sleep. And that's all the benefit of marijuana. Not all, but some. But that's not the reason why I think it should be legalized in Indonesia. There are a lot of misconception. I will really emphasize on on the misunderstanding of the substance of marijuana. Many people believe that marijuana is harmful substance for human consumption, but according to the data from CDC, or Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, in 2015 in USA, it stated that alcohol killed 88,000 per year. Tobacco killed 480,000 per year, while cannabis killed zero annually. So also people believe that it causes addiction, but the data doesn't say so. Most people who try marijuana or cannabis don't continue smoking it. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Service Administration 2012. So uh, cannabis neither cause addiction nor it is harmful. But many people have argument that abusing marijuana is harmful, abusing this drug and that drug. Yes, it is true that uh, abusing marijuana is harmful, but there's catch. What if we abuse the most harmless thing, the most neutral thing in the world? For example, water. What if we drink water a lot in few hours? According to headline.com, symptoms of water intoxication tend to start appearing after someone consumes more than 3 to 4 liters of water in few hours. So, saying that marijuana is harmful because of abuse is a fallacy. I, it is a fallacy because everything that we consume in abundant amount is pretty much harmful. Let's seek another example. Okay, let's see another example. How about protein? We need protein for building muscle to replenish dead cell in our body, right? For calorie intake for our body, pretty much it's one of the 4 category of macronutrients: carbohydrate, fat, protein, and alcohol, from 4 macronutrients. But consuming protein in very large amount can cause a harmful effect. Regarding protein, cancercenter.com stated in their website that in California study of more than 6,000 people, 50 and older, suggest that middle-aged people who ate a high protein diet had an increased risk of developing cancer compared to those who ate low protein. 6,000 people. In order a study can be respectful, at least respectful, they should have very good amount of people in the research as the sample should be at least 100 to be a respectful data for a research, and this is 6,000 people. And that's my whole point of abusing it, because abusing anything pretty much is harmful. And then we see again on why we ban marijuana in Indonesia. In my opinion, and pretty much in the whole world, not only Indonesia, we only see without any deep understanding on how something is banned and how something it should be law or not. In America, why they banned in the 30s is because racial issues. In the book of Cannabis, a history by Martin Booth, the origin of cannabis ban came from 1930 when U.S. citizens were afraid of Mexican immigrants for no valid reason. Seeing this, Harry Anslinger and the Federal Bureau of Narcotics saw an opportunity to add salt to an injury. So they used to be already racist people in US. So they need to do some fear-mongering to confront the native America to fear the immigrant like Mexican. He said, Harry Anslinger said that marijuana caused Mexican to be violent, and the campaign had begun ever since. In 1937, it was banned substance. Instead of banning the actual harmful that makes violence like alcohol, they banned marijuana instead. Everything who smokes marijuana, no, understand that people who consume it tend to be pacified and very calm and lazy in a way. So following some rules from another country without really deep understanding on how the origin of the law is pretty pretty misleading for all of us, and it makes us just like what is it, duckling, following without clear reason. In Arabic, it's called taklid. Taklid is following without understanding. So from the reason I have mentioned, like the misunderstanding of the data because it is harmful, and the abuse that is I have debunked, because everything is harmful if we abuse it. It was pretty much a fallacy, and the origin of the law itself. So I think that is why we should not follow another country to ban marijuana. And mind you that we uh mind you that we also eat the cannabis. It also has various degree of benefit for human, for consumption, or for replacing like plastic, etc. And that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.